Ladies and gentlemen, how are we today? So today we're going to look through S&P, global news, trading news, and then some technicals. And the topic of today will be central bank digital currency. So we'll just have a quick look at that. I don't know much about it, so it'll be interesting to see what you guys think. And just a quick overview, really. Going to try to do a topic pretty much every day. So whether that's a minute or 10 minutes, we'll see. But all right, so S&P 500, the heat map looking pretty normal. It's down 0.28% today. So, but it is at all-time highs. It pretty much broke all-time highs. So it's probably just a retracement off the top there. So it looks like it's consolidating a bit, but we'll look at the charts anyway. But overall, nothing too crazy happening on the heat map. Your Mag 7 just looks up and down. Overall, I'm going to try to get through a bit more on the stocks and going into the future. So just your daily readouts and stuff like that, and more of a deep dive now that it's almost 30 videos in, and switch it up a bit, I guess. So anyway, we'll move on to the global news. Nothing too crazy happening. There is where is it? Silver surpasses $50 an ounce for the first time. So that's pretty much all that's happening really in the news. Well, a lot's happening, but you know what I mean. Otherwise, it's just your normal daily news, I guess. All right, we'll move on. So central bank digital currency. So it's pretty interesting. A lot of people are starting to talk about this, and it'll be interesting. Obviously, the rebrand of the whole financial system will be a lot goes into it, and a lot is happening. So 134 countries are researching their own version. So for me, my take would be it would be interesting to see what liquidity providers come out of it, or what they do and how they adjust. And other things would be, it'd be interesting to see, someone was saying the other day about inflation and how it can almost be, their take would be it would almost be coded in. So your money would be running out in a way that I'd find interesting. It would just make people more productive, obviously. And that's where I think the questions come from is this verging towards economic slavery in a way, and just full control. But that would be my takes that I'd find interesting. Obviously, I'll keep onto it, and it's just going to be such a massive thing that this is probably going to take decades, if not more. But bit by bit. Be cool. And the other thing, I thought was interesting would be, coding it to devalue. So as I've just said, I think that, I think I just said that, to be honest, but that would be my takeaways. Apart from that, just the general, what the governments are up to and how they're going to reset, because it's almost like in late stage capitalism at the moment, it would just be interesting to watch how the money gets floated around and what gets buried, what comes out, and how the reset happens that everyone is happy with. Otherwise, it's a very, very slippery slope of what the end product is. So hopefully it is what they're making it out to be. But obviously people are worried about privacy and all these kind of things. They're all valid, I guess, but we'll see. What do you guys think? For sure. So central bank digital currencies, let me know what you think. Pros, cons, all that. So we'll move on. So nothing too crazy happening on the news today. I saw there was a couple things from the RBA. Maybe I wasn't reading it through here. US buys Argentine peso, so it's currency swap, so that's pretty interesting. And then the other thing was maybe it's down a bit. Maybe I didn't see it here. US Treasury sells $22 billion in a 30-year bond. So that'd be your big takeaways. Otherwise, you can look at specific news, obviously, but all right, so Friday. So we got natural gas storage, we got all USD, but there is a US government data shutdown that it says here. So I'm not too sure how that really affects. I've never really sat through it and studied it or anything like that. So not too, but obviously it would have an effect, but I don't know how the markets move and react. So maybe it's just like a bank holiday where it slows down the volatility. But anyway, anyway, USD natural gas storage. So that's got more barrels, so that's down, so that's not good. FOMC member bar speaks. 30-year bond auction. I don't know if that has anything to do with the news we were just talking about. We got another FOMC member speaks, and then we got business NZ manufacturing index. So that's overall health of the manufacturing industry. So 200. The New Zealand economy, that I thought it would be a bit more, but it's $260 billion. So be interesting. I do see the tickers around for Forex and stuff, but I've never traded at NZD. So we'll see. But yeah, I thought it would be more. But yeah, anyway. So RBA Gov speaks. So that's interesting. We got Japanese bank lending, so consumer and bank loans pretty much. We got producer price index. So Japan is a $4 trillion GDP. So it's pretty big. I thought it would be about that or bigger, but it's still pretty big, a lot bigger than Australia. But we got FOMC member daily speaks, and then consumer climate from Chef. Pretty much your standard news, just new loans from China. And then, we got red folders. We got CAD and USD. So, but I don't know, these USD ones might have a bit of weight because I'll show you in a sec. But anyway, we'll move on. So this was my thinking. Obviously, nothing in this video is financial advice, but with it being Friday and this news here, you can see pretty much bearish all week. So maybe it will just take out everything, but we'll see. Obviously, as I just said, Euro bearish all week. So maybe a turnaround soon, but no one knows in these markets, to be fair. So we'll just see. We'll just wait and see. Pound, same. USD been bearish all week. So you can see, a lot of stacked liquidity. It has taken out big liquidity here. So, we'll see. Obviously, looking at that news, marrying it all together, maybe there'll be a return around. But as I said, not financial advice. It'll just be interesting to see. The S&P is down 0.28%, as I was saying before, and it did take all-time highs. So it's pretty much consolidating or ranging. So it'll be interesting to see what happens there. And then NASDAQ is down 0.15%, and it pretty much around those all-time highs again. So, and then the Dow Jones is retracing back off those highs. So, and that is down 0.52%. So all this ups and downs, nothing too crazy happening in the indexes as far as I can see, or stocks and all that. But it's mainly what do you guys think about the central bank digital currency and all that? And I'll be keen to see what you guys think. But cheers guys, thanks, cheers.